When drive belts aren't tensioned correctly, your production line loses productivity. It's not always easy to tension a belt correctly, but Optibelt has the solution. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The Optibelt TT frequency tension tester can check the tension of your drive belts by measuring the frequency through vibration. It measures a belt's electromagnetic waves to determine its tension value in hertz. It uses a unique function that measures low frequency 1 to 6 Hz on long span lengths and features measurement values between 1 to 600 Hz. The frequency tension tester can be used on V-belts, craft bands, rib belts and timing belts. Noise or UV light will not affect the performance of the Optibelt TT. Correct belt tension will drastically increase the life of your belts and pulleys and will reduce machine downtime. The Optibelt TT frequency tension tester is the quickest and most accurate way to measure the tension of your belt. More information, contact Optibelt on 03 8791 2700 or visit them online, optibelt.com. Thanks for watching.